Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the network and devices ready. Make sure the iPhone and LG TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is required for AirPlay. Once done, check for and install any system updates on both devices so compatibility is current. Turn on Bluetooth briefly to help discovery, then power the TV and set it to the correct input. You want the TV visible to AirPlay so the next steps can connect quickly. You now enable AirPlay on the LG TV and initiate mirroring from the iPhone. On the TV open settings, find AirPlay and HomeKit and toggle AirPlay on. Set permissions to allow connections from anyone or only devices on the same network. Then on your iPhone Open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring and pick the LG TV from the list. If a 4-digit code appears on the TV, type it into the iPhone. Once accept, you finish by verifying the mirrored content and addressing common issues. Check that video and audio are in sync and rotate the iPhone if orientation is wrong. Make sure the TV volume is set correctly. To stop, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. If connection fails, restart the iPhone and the TV, confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi, and disable any VPNs or firewall settings. These often block AirPlay. If problems persist, try a temporary change in TV AirPlay permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.